So, another day, another video na naman tayo ng mga katoto. So, for today's video, football game,
Baliw ka yata eh.
football day na naman ni Kuya Zach. At kami medyo late na ang call time is 9:05, it's already 9. So, yeah, driving na So, ayun yun nga andito na tayo So, unfortunately, hindi pa nakain ng breakfast si Kuya. Kaya siguro matamlay siya ngayon. Anyway, let's go. Hi Kuya, are you ready to play? So yeah, walking na tayo Medyo chilling pa si Zach kahit late na siya. Kuya. Come on, let's go. Finish your food. Okay, come on. Where's color blue? Color blue's all the way there.
Kick, come on, kick. You're gonna put it in the net. Big kick. Where's that? Do a big kick. Big kick.
Do a big kick, Zachary. Come on. One big kick. Go. What are you doing? Big kick, Zachary. Whoa! Kick the ball, Zachary. So, ayun nga po, tapos na ang football ni Kuya, Mainit and ang hirap mag-video, Kasi, siyempre, wala si Mami, ako lang. And yeah, we're going home.